To sound gas would definitely be the understatement of the decade. Pendulum are back, baby. I'm too excited. They dropped 2 brand new tracks, Driver and Nothing for Free, on Friday. I've just been playing them so much. Rob Swire is my ultimate production hero. Just makes too many bangers. So if you've been watching this channel for a while, you know I've been busting to do this Pendulum Inspired Track from Scratch series. And obviously them releasing new music is kind of a catalyst for this. But the other thing that kind of pushed me to do it ASAP was this vocal pack by a dude called Jim Strickland. And he sounds very similar to Rob Swire. So I was like, you know what? That's the vocal foundation for the track. Let's build an entire track up around the rest of this vocals. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in the Pendulum Inspired Track from Scratch series. Got the vocals laid out here. I've roughly structured them out, how the track's gonna go. Let's just listen to some.
Absent-minded, what happened? We don't have to
Very Rob Swire.
live at this substandard. When's it over? 'Cause I don't wanna wait for the end to come. Take and fly, you're tired of the same train routing in a circular way. Now facing opportunity, giving up won't change a thing. Get your eye burning, you are not backing out of this charade. Make them see the mockery.
Bow, bow, bow. So yeah, that's roughly what we're gonna start out with. The vocals all pre-arranged in the structure of the track, and then just gonna build up an entire track surrounding those vocals. Today I will focus on the sub. The thing is, right, how I usually do these Track from Scratch series, I do it section by section, like intro, verse, drop, bridge, breakdown, whatever. But since I have some pendulum stems from Granite, what each episode is going to be is basically the different versions of this. So I'm going to work on the sub today, figure out what bass notes to do, what bass progressions I'm going to do, and then next episode I'll probably do drums, next synths. We definitely need to get the bass line down so that we can work around the rest of the track after we've done that. I came up with this very shitty and awfully played bass progression just on the guitar before.
Absent-minded, what happened? We don't have to live at this substandard. When's it over? 'Cause I don't wanna wait for the end to come.
So I like the notes that's playing, not the playing itself, because that is trash. Let's load up Serum, get some MIDI going. Really should have left this sub channel in actually, so we can compare. There's some sub. Notice how all the sub notes don't play until the next note. There's some gaps there. I'm pretty sure this is for like extra punch, so that's something to keep in mind in this episode. Let's change this, obviously. Why is it clicking already? Yeah, a little bit of a punch, so we're gonna create a custom LFO. Fancy, right there. 50, yeah, bring it up. And that click is annoying, so envelope 1. The thing is, I don't think the sub is quite like sine wavy. It's got a few more harmonics, so I wonder if modulation can help. No. Another os, maybe square this time, and then low pass, and then a bit more distortion. No, it won't be. And we want the same pitch envelope from LFO1, so it doesn't sound weird when one's just doing a solid note and the other's just doing like a pitch thing. It's like, wait, what? So yeah. Yeah, the phase was jacked. Maybe EQ notches, couple here and there. No, gain up. That's too much. And then a bit of a release on envelope 1. Monophonic, so we can only play one note at a time. Yeah, let's mute this. and recreate the shitty playing, we could be lazy, consolidate that, convert melody. Do 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 do. I kind of like the playing of this. It's got some variation. All the notes aren't exactly the same. No, we'd have to do the do 8 notes. Yeah, boy. All right, let's load this into the sub channel and hope that it's not trash. Oh, that's too low. Okay, what the fuck? Why is it clicking like a little... The amount of clicks is so annoying. I'm not too sure now. Maybe too many notes just doing too many things. So, I like the randomness like this.
Absent-minded, what happened? We don't have to.
We'll mute that for the time being. 0, deactivated. Alright, where is the arpeggiator? I feel this is really basic if I just do 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 do. I don't think the original... See, it does different patterns rather than... Why is it going quieter and then non-quiet? Is it a phase thing? I think I fucked with the phase too much. How do I reset? Reset, so it's right there. So the waveform's going up. This should theoretically be over here, so the waveform's going up. We're gonna know on a whole episode dedicated to sub bass. What we might have to do, new MIDI track, simpler, add in a kick. That's a little punchy, low pass. Nah, we want the arpeggiator as well. Where's the fade? Where's the fade? One shot.
We don't have to.
All the notes are different, right? So when the actual pitch of the kick goes down, it's playing the note at slower speed, so it's not the same level of punch. So if we had them all doing the same note, anyway, I don't want to spend 5 years on the sub. I'll have to do for now.
Absent-minded.
Definitely want it mono.
What happened? We don't have to live at this substandard. When's it over? 'Cause I don't wanna wait for the end to come.
We need something different there, I think.
Take and fly your time. Absent-minded. What happened? We don't have to live at this substandard. When's it over? 'Cause I don't wanna wait for the end to come. Take and fly, you're tired of the same train routing in a circular way. Now facing on
2 hours later.
Oh fuck, this is hard.
Take and fly, you're tired of the same train routing in a circular way. Now facing opportunity, give Giving up won't change a thing. Get your eye burning. You are not backing out of this charade. Make them see the mockery.
I like the ending. I forgot what I did for the ending. Fuck. I feel like it was that.
Backing out of this charade. Make them see the mockery.
Okay, it's definitely gonna start here.
They can fly, you're tired of the same dream.
I feel like it's been done 5 billion times. Fuck it.
Wait for the end to come. Take and fly, you're tired.
You know, we're just gonna roll with that. I don't even know what it is.
Take and fly, you're tired of the same dream. Routing in a circular way.
Yeah, what the? I don't even know what note that A ting.
Now facing opportunity. Giving up won't change a thing. Get your eye.
F.
Get your eye burning. You are not backing out of this charade. Make them see the mark.
At least that knows that. What is that?
Get your eye burning. You are not backing out of this charade.
What about that needs to come in here and another time kind of thing here? I need a note here. Also, what notes are in C minor? What? Scale C minor. Oh, perfect.
You are not backing out of this. Out of this charade.
That's cool. It's so hard to put a track into perspective when it's literally just sub bass and vocals. I don't know why I started the sub bass, but you know, too late to change now. That's a badass sound. I feel like this is actually D. So when I had to play E, I was like, nah, that's jacked.
The end to come. Take and fly, you're tired of the same train. Routing in a circular way. Now facing opportunity. Giving up won't change a thing. Get your eye burning. You are not backing out of this charade.
I forgot the notes. It was so close. Can we drop that because it's cool?
Take and fly, you're tired of the same train. Routing in a circular way.
Ooh.
Now facing opportunity.
Literally an episode on sub bass. Shout out if you're still with me on this one. Need to make sure our sub is subbing along with Granite sub, because that's our reference sub. It's definitely not sounding like that. My goodness. So, Ozone, EQ matching on desired track, yes. Alright, now let's check it on our sub and it not be identical. Fam, we're pretty close. Orange is us, blue is Granite. It's a bit more punchy. Ours has a little bit more high end, which I can cut. Actually, I'll just use an EQ for both. Low pass filter, notch at 300. Yeet. It still needs more punch. I'm wondering if we need like a transient. Oh, this is not gonna work. Drum bus. Transient. That actually sounds pretty hard. I'm digging it. Keep it. Now it's missing out some of these notes. I'm going to quantize the shit out of them so it makes.
Absent-minded, what
And same for this.
We
Just come on, you. I'm not just spamming my keyboard for no reason, by the way.
You are not backing out of this charade. Make them see the mockery.
Synthly. Oh, I'm digging that low D sharp. That is bonkers. Let's see if we can fit this
Shove
second half.
it in the face. Mockery. Mockery. Whoa, make them see the mockery.
We need some break here. Verse 2. Same shit.
Absent
we go.
minded, what happened? We don't have to live at this substandard. When's it over?
Oh, it's raining to the days outside.
Wait for the end to come. Take and fly, you're tired of the same train routing in a circular way. Now facing opportunity, giving up won't change a thing. Got your eye burning, you are not backing out of this charade. Make them see the mockery.
Bow, bow, bow. Same bridge break here, but double the distance. Double the distance. Double the length. Bridge vocal. Fucking no clue.
Are we living it up?
Definitely needs to be a note other than C, because I'm pretty sick of that already.
Is this the world we want?
I'm gonna wonder if we have C here. The classic chord progression.
Living it up. Is this the world we want?
New chord.
Got
We're in scale, right? Yeah, C minor. Okay.
got your
Why did I start with the sub? Why did I start with the sub? Bridge vocal done, acoustic G. If you've listened to Pendulum live at Brixton Academy, they play Propane Nightmares and there's a real cool acoustic section in it. So I'm like, yo, fucking why not? Why not do a similar thing? Oh, this is what I'm thinking at this stage.
Take and fly, you're tired of the same train routing in a circular way. Now facing opportunity, giving up won't change a thing. Got your eye burning, you are not backing out of this charade. Make them see the mockery.
The synth again. Why is that build? Actually, that could be a build. No. Lead, no drums. Sick.
Burning, you are not backing
4.5 minutes song. Wow.
Make them see
We haven't
the
even done the intro yet. Oh my god. This was gonna be the lead thing, the synth that we're yet to write. But then the intro before that, I just didn't want to screw up my time markers. So I'll do that later. We need a cheeky lesson with drums.
Get your eye up.
Puts in perspective so much. It's so sick. Can't wait. Next episode is going to be the drums. That should be a long one. I know Rob Squire is meticulous about his drums and he said it takes forever to get right. It's going to be such a long episode, but it's going to be good. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did. I'll catch you in the next tutorial or whatever we're doing on this channel. Have a great day and peace.